Hey guys, so in this video, I'm going to go ahead and show you how to delete Wix website sections. Now, this video is going to teach you how to delete sections. So with that being said, let's go ahead and get right into it, guys. So basically, we are currently on the website editor for Wix. Now, if we want to go ahead and delete a section, guys, it is as easy as clicking the three dots right here as this option right here that says more actions. Now, by clicking this, you're going to see more options here. Now, it's going to say delete. Now, right here, you're going to want to have the section selected that you want to go ahead and delete, and pretty much just click delete. Now from right there, you guys can see that the website section has actually now been deleted. So that is pretty much how you go ahead and delete sections on Wix. Now, if you want to go ahead and add sections, it's pretty much as easy as closing this and then pressing the section and clicking add section here. Now, basically you can go ahead and add more sections like a subscribe section. So let's say we want a subscribe section right here. You can go ahead and add the section back and it'll show you the section. So that's pretty much how you go ahead and delete and add sections. So it's insanely easy, guys. But with that being said, if you haven't already, leave a like on the video, subscribe to the channel. And with that being said, I'll see you guys for the next video.